This is Lorenzo.
Hello.
Let's go. Do you think you'll be getting this?
Yeah.
There we go.
Hey.
Zach,
Hey.
we found a campsite for tonight.
Oh, we got the content going.
Oh yeah.
We have to look up the legality of this fire pit, though.
Yeah, we
Got
can
wood.
we can check out the visitor center. It's probably fine.
Yeah.
Let's make some lunch and then we'll go for a hike.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully Calista and Lorenzo will make it later.
Oh yeah, they're gonna drive up, but they might not make the hike.
Wanna catch?
Oh yeah. Yes. I love this stuff.
The best ramen
So
in the
good.
world.
I ate this so much on the PCT.
Olive packets recommended by the one and only Zach.
I wonder if I have orange juice I can mix it.
Oh, I have some carrot juice.
Oh, that'd be good. We can make
Would it be a good mix? Zach is rocking the launch edition 01 if you guys
Number
don't
one.
know.
Having a fire tonight sounds really nice. I hope we can do it.
Yeah. How much ginger juice should I be adding?
Ginger juice, just a little bit. That's good. That's
Yeah,
fine.
okay.
Maybe even too much, but I'll go for it. Oops.
So beautiful.
Oh yeah, fresh. Fresh, raw deliciousness. Oh, yeah, maybe I'll just throw a couple on here.
I think you should make like little Instagram recipes for like backcountry meals. People will probably love it.
Could do.
So I guess if they arrive early, then maybe we can meet somewhere down there and maybe walk around the trees area.
Yeah, if they arrive before sundown, they should come over there. I can scoot over. I just figured I wanted to test out my my quilt and see how it does in colder temperatures.
Yeah, what's the temperature supposed to be like?
Ooh.
Too tall.
Human for scale.
These, if my feet get cold,
Oh,
it's like a waterproof
yeah, I think I've seen that.
thing. Yeah.
Oh, you got it from the PCT day too, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Senchi.
Designs.
And I have the better one.
Whoa.
Hand dyed from
Yeah, but mine has gone the entire length of the PCT.
True. 5 point.
No big deal. Oh, so comfy. Oh,
that's a 6 shot.
it is, huh? You should do it tilted that way. Put it on there.
Stick your head out.
Oh yeah, I can see me. Oh my god, we have matching Arc'teryx hats.
Oh, we do. Trader Joe's olive packets.
Oh yeah.
10
Just
of
a
them.
handful.
Plenty of electrolyte in here, I would say.
And it's only 55 calories, so if you're trying to starve, it's perfect.
Yeah. Single purpose. Chimney. Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh, that's sick.
We just need some firewood. Yeah, that's all came out. Outside. It's like the ocean. Copyright.
Lorenzo.
Wait, you can see me now.
I can see you. We can see you.
How you doing?
Welcome. Long drive. How are you?
Yeah, what's your name?
Pretty good. We just finished the hike.
Nice.
It was a nice walk. Calista.
Hello.
Hello. How are you feeling?
Cold.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you too. Sorry, we're so late.
This is Calista's setup.
It's a mess. This is not my setup.
You can give us a tour, maybe a 30-second tour later.
Yeah, I'll give you a tour when we have it cleaned up in here.
Okay. Zach has fire responsibility.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Oh, I like your green jacket.
Thank you. It's brand new for my adventures this next year.
Who is it from?
It's from Enlightened Equipment. So is this a fire starter in here?
Yeah, you can.
I feel like it's a fire starter.
Just use the whole thing, or maybe use half.
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you can break it off. All right, who's got the olive oil?
The Italian.
Yeah, actually yes. You need it?
Hey, wait. Actually, I think the twig's wrong.
Wait, are you about to backseat?
This is the...
Wait, assign
Enlightened
responsibilities to
Equipment.
everyone else so they
Oh,
are
yeah.
busy.
Set up your tent. Go set up your tent. Otherwise,
It's
you'll
set up.
be just nowhere for you
That's
guys to sleep.
ultralight
Ultralight.
set up.
This is gonna be great. Oh, it's
We
like
should
this.
probably collect more wood.
Honestly, that looks really
Before
like a
you
tasty
stop
graham
burning.
That's the
cracker.
wood
It
we have.
smells good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's not well, as
That's
much.
plenty then. Okay.
Back up. My fire. You give me responsibility. Don't backseat fire. Oh, Jimmy, sorry, you're gonna get smoked out.
Oh.
Well, there's other ways to
There's
light
the
air for it.
four-way. The four-way's the best. Like it's a square, but it's harder to do, and you need the right wood for it. I always collect that. You don't know me.
Yeah, you got Jimmy.
Foraging on the beach.
Trust me, if Socks is doing it, that means it's smart.
Lentil salsa or tortilla chips.
Are Italians good or bad drivers? I actually don't know. I know Italians drive crazy, right? At least in Naples.
But I was
So I hear.
To drive in Naples, you have to be such a good driver.
I guess that's true, yeah.
We got
Wow,
bowling.
wow, you copy like everything I do.
Just the fancier one. This one's way cheaper.
This one's cheaper?
Yeah.
We drove through some pretty good patches.
No way. Whoa. There is like a tiny bell pepper inside the bell pepper. Yeah.
Did you just kill a pregnant pepper?
Yes. Wow.
Pepper caviar.
Wait, no, I can't believe this.
Yeah, look, yeah.
Wait, where was that?
Inside.
Was it connected?
It was
What
like
the
it's like
hell?
in here.
And we're celebrating this?
This gonna be, we can call this the pregnant pepper. Like,
Not talking about you.
is there like a bigger...
It does not have.
No? Okay.
No sure if it's
Didn't see it.
coming up.
Can I screw...
Oh yeah, yeah, something's coming. Ooh, pepper.
No, that's pepper. Wait.
It's a fancy olive oil. Also, I have a fancy salt too if you guys want.
Oh,
Do you need more salt?
I think we're
Put
okay.
salt at the end. Add salt at the end.
Okay. Ooh.
Did you already get the cherry
Thank you.
tomatoes? Oh,
Not
you got
yet.
mushrooms too? Dang.
Oh yeah.
You got a lot of stuff.
We have the difficult one that requires special service.
I tried my hardest to make ramen this whole time, and he insisted that I have this pasta. So I'm putting that one on you.
It's nice to eat together.
Not if you don't have a vegan sauce. It's
We'll
not.
blame Lorenzo. He picked the sauce.
It's my fault.
It's fine. He's Italian.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud, my dudes.
Salud.
Salud, my dudes.
Ooh,
Salute.
yeah.
I was having a really bad morning. The dentist made me cry
Damn.
Oh,
in the
no.
office.
I've been dental gaslighted as well.
Yeah.
It's super annoying.
Even in just
She's like, oh yeah,
medicine.
no, that's normal. I'm like, no, it's not normal. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Or even
That
if
just
like
means you did a shitty job.
that because it takes me
Is mocha pot single cup?
So I think mine is supposed to be 3. Yeah. And the one yours is 2.
yeah, two.
Calista? Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Oh, it's a lot.
Exploding.
Oh yeah,
I already added them.
Jimmy, how do we extract water from your?
Oh yeah, we have to rip that out.
Like 1 or 2 pumps. Okay, now let me try. This one?
Yeah. Hot.
Stay adventurous.
That's right.
Nice.
You have to put it harder.
We got eggs too.
Oh yeah. Ta-da! Oh, something smoking.
Oh yeah. You want to bring the garbage bag so we can empty it?
Are you guys bringing a meal to make?
I
I'm
am.
bringing ramen.
Yeah.
So I'll make some mashed potatoes while we're up there. Could I borrow the Parmesan cheese then?
Is it in the fridge?
Yeah, I think.
What? What did you say?
There's no weapons on the trail. You gotta put your calves away.
You said you have nice calves.
Oh, thanks. You guys want the mozzarella too or no?
Just the Parmesan.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank
No
you.
problem. Ready for a hike?
Ready.
These are my mountain summiting sandals.
No, I don't
Wait, they broke that need to peel.
I'm into you packing that shit out.
Nah, I think it wasn't. Insane.
So good.
We are out of water. Everyone's running into the bathroom to fill up the jug. Yeah?
How do you know about these ones?
Oh, I came here to check. Oh, nice.
Oh man. This
Free
is gonna-
chargers.
This is a dying breed though, because I'm sure these ones will cost money soon.
I think so. Green. I think there are only 4 of these free chargers left.
They're changing in real time.
Yeah, no, seriously, we were here. And then we forgot the helmets. We had to leave because our bikes are here.
Cool. Do you mind if I film?
Yeah, no
What's your
problem.
name?
Paul.
Paul, nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you.
And you guys are
I
here
remember
hiking.
I watched them.
Hi guys.
Living this.
Do you guys record it to Strava?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
No, I don't have.
you don't have anything
No.
either, right?
I am the.
I don't have either.
How do you call it? I would say in the US, road dogging.
Raw dog.
Wow, guys, we made it to Yosemite. I can't believe it.
3 hours? One way?
It was a little over 3 hours. That's steep. Yeah, that's about through that You see the trees just up, like to the left of the waterfall at the top? Like, this little arm line. So much content right now. Sorry, buddy, we leave no trace. Okay, I want to get walking. Yeah. I'm too cold.
Oh, another one's coming.
Wow.
Just feel really blessed out here because the trail is just providing so much.